Hold up. Guys, check this out. I am live here at Crazy Bird Chicken. Man, they got some, I ain't gonna lie, I've been cheap. I've been eating these fries and these seeds. Oh man, oh, these fries is super delicious. I love the fries, they so good. But check this out, y'all. I'm here to try the chicken sandwich. Ooh, pepper jack cheese, fresh chicken. Ooh, we got the lettuce, pickles, and guess what? They got a homemade that they make in-house honey chipotle sauce. Oh my God. So we getting ready to try this, y'all. Y'all already know I love chicken sandwiches, so let's see. Ooh! Ooh! Hold up. Ooh, I need more of this sauce. Hold on. Ooh, that sauce is delicious. It's like a... Ooh. What is that? That sauce got so much flavor. Ooh, my... Let me try that sriracha sauce. Try that. What is this, a sriracha what?
Sriracha mayo.
How'd you make that? Ooh! Yo, listen to me.
Good on the fries too.
Hold on. I gotta try something. Sriracha mayo. Hold on. I think this is it right here. I gotta try this. Oh, wait. When you order this sandwich, tell them to give you the sriracha mayo and get the ooh. The heat in this is ridiculous. It's so good. You're like, oh my God, it's, man. I'm gonna taste like on fries. Yo. I just want to get up and run. Ooh. Man, listen. I want y'all to come to Crazy Bird Chicken to get this chicken sandwich. Man, the flavor in this is... Woo, yo, that I gotta get him some dap, yo. Oh man. No, just come here real quick. I gotta get you on camera. Just come here real quick. Oh my God. You good. Look. I'm gonna just call you Mr. OG. Mr. OG. Tell them why they need to come visit Crazy Bird.
And sandwiches are fresh. It's a comfortable restaurant, and the food is good.
Hey, this sauce.
That's the deal.
What's this sauce again?
That's honey chipotle.
That honey chipotle.
Honey chipotle.
This honey chipotle is something special. Can you give me a recipe?
Yeah, right.
All right, y'all, look. I gotta get out of here. I want you to come visit Crazy Bird. I want you to try the chicken. And I want you to tell me how you like the chicken sandwich. It is so good. Get both sauces. That's all I'm gonna say. Look at that. Oh, it's so good and juicy. Well, love y'all. See y'all later.